Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're putting two titans of the business ultra-portable world head-to-head. The brand new Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 Aura Edition versus the still powerful Gen 12. If you're eyeing a premium laptop in 2025, you're in the right place. Watch till the very end because by then you'll know exactly which ThinkPad takes the crown. Don't forget to check the description for the latest prices and deals, and a quick like on this video would mean the world. Let's dive in. Stepping into the realm of premium ultra-portables, both the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 Aura Edition and its predecessor, the Gen 12, showcase Lenovo's commitment to sophisticated design and robust build quality. The Gen 13 takes a slight edge in portability, notably shedding weight to become even more travel-friendly at a mere 2.17 pounds compared to the Gen 12's still svelte 2.47 pounds. Both laptops exude a professional aesthetic, with the Gen 12 sporting a classic matte black finish derived from a blend of magnesium, aluminum, and carbon fiber, while the Gen 13 continues this legacy with a similarly premium feel, utilizing carbon fiber and magnesium alloys. Both machines feel exceptionally solid in hand, reassuring users of their durability, further bolstered by passing MIL-STD 810H military-grade tests, ensuring resilience against the bumps and strains of daily use and travel. When it comes to connectivity, both ThinkPad X1 Carbon iterations offer a thoughtful selection of ports, catering to the needs of modern professionals. The Gen 13 presents a forward-looking array, featuring two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, a USB Type-A port, an audio jack, and another USB Type-A port alongside an HDMI port on the right. The Gen 12 mirrors this with two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports on the left and a USB-A 3.2 port, an HDMI 2.0 port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Both laptops ensure cutting-edge wireless performance with support for advanced Wi-Fi and Bluetooth standards, with the Gen 13 boasting the newer Wi-Fi 7. The inclusion of compact USB-C charging adapters in both models adds to their portability and convenience for users on the move. The visual experience on both the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 and Gen 12 is undeniably impressive, each featuring a vibrant 14-inch OLED display with a sharp 2880 by 1800 resolution and a fluid 120 Hz refresh rate. This shared foundation ensures that users of either model will enjoy deep blacks, rich colors, and crisp details, making them well-suited for tasks ranging from detailed document work to engaging multimedia consumption. However, the Gen 13 elevates this slightly with its HDR 500 certification and inclusion of Dolby Vision modes, suggesting a potentially wider dynamic range and more lifelike color reproduction when viewing compatible content, a feature not explicitly mentioned for the Gen 12, although the older model is still praised for its color accuracy and sharpness. When it comes to capturing and engaging in video calls, both laptops are equipped with a 1080p webcam, providing clear and sharp video quality for virtual meetings. Both also prioritize user privacy with a physical webcam shutter and offer the convenience of Windows Hello facial recognition for secure and swift logins. The Gen 13, benefiting from the neural processing unit integrated into its Intel Core Ultra processor, introduces intelligent camera features like auto-framing and background blur. These enhancements aim to keep the user centered and maintain a professional appearance during video conferences, functionalities that are not in the Gen 12's camera. The typing experience, a hallmark of the ThinkPad series, remains excellent on both the Gen 13 and Gen 12. Both feature a comfortable and precise keyboard layout, including the often omitted dedicated home, end, page up, and page down keys. The tactile feedback is reported as satisfying, although the Gen 13 notes a potentially shallower key travel due to its slimmer design. Both keyboards are backlit, ensuring comfortable typing in dimly lit environments. For cursor control, both offer the signature track point and a smooth, responsive trackpad that adequately supports multi-finger gestures. The Gen 12's keyboard description points out a redesigned Ctrl and FN key placement for improved ergonomics and an expanded mini joystick menu with additional shortcuts. Battery life presents a more distinct difference between the two models. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 boasts an impressive battery life of nearly 20 hours under normal usage conditions like web browsing and video playback. This substantial endurance positions it as an ideal companion for professionals who need to work untethered for extended periods. In contrast, the Gen 12, while still offering a respectable 13 hours and 51 minutes of continuous video playback, falls noticeably behind its successor in terms of longevity. This difference in battery performance could be a significant deciding factor for users who prioritize all-day usage without needing to recharge. Delving into the processing capabilities of the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 and Gen 12 reveals a step forward with the newer model. The Gen 13 harnesses the power of the Intel Core Ultra 7 258V processor built on Intel's fresh Lunar Lake architecture, promising enhanced performance, particularly in handling everyday productivity tasks. In contrast, the Gen 12 is equipped with the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor. Both models complement their processors with a substantial 32 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking for demanding users. For storage, the Gen 13 features a 512 GB SSD, while the Gen 12 boasts a larger 1 TB SSD. When it comes to content creation and editing, both laptops, with their vibrant OLED displays, offer a suitable platform for light tasks such as photo editing and basic video manipulation. However, neither is positioned as a powerhouse for intensive editing workloads. The Gen 13, with its Intel Arc Graphics 140V, and the Gen 12, with its Intel Arc Graphics, are both integrated graphics solutions that will handle basic creative tasks adequately, but will likely struggle with more demanding video editing software or complex projects that require significant GPU acceleration. Users needing serious editing capabilities would likely need to look towards laptops with dedicated graphics cards. Similarly, for gaming, both are geared towards casual gaming experiences. Their integrated Intel Arc graphics can handle less demanding or older titles. However, neither laptop is designed for serious gaming or running modern, graphically intensive games at high settings. Gamers seeking a more immersive experience with demanding titles would find the graphical capabilities of both machines limiting compared to laptops equipped with dedicated GPUs like those from NVIDIA's GeForce RTX series. Both ThinkPad X1 Carbon generations prioritize business productivity and portability over high-end gaming or heavy content creation. Alright folks, having dissected these two fantastic machines, the winner for 2025 is the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13. Its lighter design, longer battery life, and enhanced webcam features give it a slight edge over the still capable Gen 12. If ultimate portability and battery are key, go for the Gen 13. Don't forget to check those links in the description for the best deals. Thanks for watching.